Safetots Beechwood and Metal Pressure Fit Safety Gate comes in a standard size of 71.3 to 77.6 centimetres. This is the standard gate kit. If you need a wider size, the gate can be extended with up to 3 extensions on each side. Depending on the size you've ordered, you'll be sent the right kits. Now, this is what we call a single kit, which will extend the gate by 6.5 centimetres, a double kit 13.5 centimetres, and a triple kit 20.5 centimetres. Now you can put a single, a double or a triple on either side of the gate. For the purpose of this demonstration, we're going to show you how to put a double kit onto the Safetots Beechwood and Metal Pressure Fit Safety Gate. So these are the parts that will be sent. You'll be getting 2 tubes, 4 housings and 2 poles. You'll notice that the housings are bigger at the bottom and smaller at the top. And the reason for this is that that matches the profile of the gate, and you'll see this as we put this into place. So the first thing we do is we take the tube and we slot the 2 housings onto the tube. We'll do exactly the same at the bottom. 1, 2, and then we can slot the poles into the housings. This will give us our extension piece. The extension piece will then slot into the gate, one at the top and one at the bottom. And then we have the gate and the extension pieces together. When we have the gate and the extension pieces together, we can then install the gate as we would do usually. Just follow the installation video for the gate. There's one important thing to notice, one difference, is that the housings are still required where you do not have an extension. So we'll be putting the 2 housings in on this side for our demonstration. But on this side, we won't be using the housings because the tube makes the space small enough already for the spindles to fit into. So we'll just be slotting our spindles in top and bottom, and our spindles on this side into the housings top and bottom. Then just follow the instruction video, fitting the gate into your required space.